Hi friends, welcome back new video. In this video I show you how to refill or reload toner powder in a HP Neverstop model printer. Neverstop Reloader model is a new technology printer from HP brand. Its special feature is that when the toner powder runs out, we can refill it ourselves from home or workplace. When the toner powder is low or finished, we can understand it by the indicator. Reload the toner when the toner level indicator displays +1 or +2 and the reload indicator is white. And a toner low or toner empty message displays in the printer software or HP Smart app. This is the toner reload port. Slide open the reload port cover like this. Toner reload kit number is mentioned here. 103A is the toner reload kit number. This is a new toner reload kit for Neverstop type printers. Toner kit number 103A or W1103A is indicated on the box. Supported printer model numbers are also indicated in this box. If the powder shows low on the printer, we can easily refill it through this kit. If +1 displays, add 1 toner reload kit. If +2 displays, add up to 2 toner reload kit. If +2 and the toner level warning icon display, the printer is out of toner. You must add at least 1 toner reload kit before you can continue printing. Reloading instructions are given on the reload kit step by step with picture. First, shake the toner reload kit for at least 10 seconds to loosen the toner. Hold the kit so that it connects to the program chip on the printer. Insert the toner reload kit into the reload port. After then rotate it clockwise 180 degrees or until it stops. Yes, now it's ready to refill. Next, push the plunger down slowly until it clicks. Now all the toner powder in the kit has reached the printer. So remove this kit and you can continue your printing work. Therefore, rotate the toner reload kit counterclockwise 180 degrees. Then lift it out of the port. After you reload the toner, the ready light blinks for 30 to 50 seconds. Wait until the ready light is solid before sending a print job. Finally, close the reload port cover. This video winding up now. If you like this video, then share and support my channel. See you on next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.